Who's talking to Gail?
I see the clouds drifting softly by as they carry these wishes across the sky.
Gigi.
They bring sweet dreams
Oh,
tonight.
but she can't hear
I
me.
hear the
They
crickets
can't hear
and the
you?
frogs.
No.
Why
I
not?
see the clouds drifting
Well,
softly
talk to
by
her.
as they carry
Will I
these wishes
talk to her?
across
Gigi.
the sky.
See, she can't hear me.
You're talking to Annie Gail on TV?
She's talking to Gigi.
I see the clouds drifting softly by as they carry these wishes.
Huge.
I hear an owl. He's asking who I love and who loves me too. I see the clouds drifting softly by as they carry these wishes across the sky.
Like a Christmas
They bring
tree.
sweet dreams tonight to the precious little one I love.
But first I need to turn up.
I hear the crickets and the frogs over the mountain and over the sea. Together with you, I wish I could be. Please let the light that shines here on me shine on my little Mackenzie. Love you,
Love you too.
Mackenzie.
Love you too.
Love from Gina.